Good question. I like clients. Clients are going to come to me every time they have a problem. A customer will shop anywhere. They'll yellow page, they'll do anything. Most of them are price shoppers. We get numerous phone calls about that. What's your price for this? What's your price for that? It's hard to build value over a phone. My clients know my value. They keep repeating to us, and that makes them a client, and that's the difference between a client and a customer.
Cooling, heating, and air for installations and repairs. Cooling, heating, and air will save you money. We'll be right